Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. More like good evening. It's almost it's already 7 o'clock. I picked up my iPhone this morning. iPhone 12 Pro, 128 gigabytes in graphite, and I wanted to do a little first impressions video of what I feel about the phone after I've been using it for a few hours now, going through the setup and everything like that, having time to play with it. First thing is first, it basically on the back looks like a 11 Pro Max with the matte finish. But the sides are amazing. It just, the flat edges, not rounded sides, it just feels very premium. It feels very good in the hand. It's easy to hold. It just feels very premium. And I actually got a chance to hold a regular 12, the non-pro. My mom got the regular 12 and I set that up for her. It was the exact same way. It was a little bit lighter. It doesn't have stainless steel sides. They're aluminum and the back is glossy. So that one reminded me more of the iPhone 4S. This one kind of reminds me more of the 5S. I had a 4S and a 5S. This one reminds me more of the 5S. I know the back is not aluminum like the 5S was, but it has that same feeling with the matte texture. So the iPhone 12 feels like a 4S basically, and this one feels like a 5S, the Pro. Everything else, though, is great. The phone is very, very snappy, which is to be expected with the A14 and 6 gigs of RAM on the Pro. Everything launches perfectly fine. Everything's running well. No issues. I am on 14.2 Beta 4. Didn't have any issues setting it up or activating or anything like that. Battery life so far is pretty good. I charged it to 100% once earlier, probably about 12 o'clock, and we're at 78%. Now keep in mind that is with heavy usage because it's brand new. I've been playing with it all day. Apps have been setting up in the background and all that kind of stuff. It's not fully optimized yet. So I think battery life is going to be just fine. No issues there. I do have a MagSafe charger. That's been pretty good. I like having that on the back where you can still move your phone around or pick it up and stuff like that while it's still kind of wireless charging. It still has the wire attached to it, but it's not, it doesn't have to be sticking out the bottom. It can kind of rotate all the way around, so that's kind of cool. And you can easily just pull it off and grab your phone and go. You don't have to, fumble with any cables or anything like that, so that's pretty nice. It auto lines itself up. I have the Apple MagSafe case as well, which I did have on the phone. I just did a case video. So if you're seeing this, I don't know when you'll see this video, if it's going to be before or after that one. But I just recorded that video, so I don't have a case on it right now. But I did check out some cases that Spec sent over, so look out for that. Or you may have already seen it, like I said. But that is basically the iPhone 12 Pro. 5G is, mileage varies for that based on where you are, so I'm not going to really comment too much on that. I think for me it's worth it though because it works well in my area, and I do see increased speeds. So overall, for $1,000, is this phone worth it? I say yes. If you're on I'd say a 10 or below, definitely worth an upgrade. If you're a heavy user, maybe 10S or below. 11, that's just up to you, depending on if you want the latest and the greatest. I always get the latest and the greatest because I make these videos for you guys. So here we are, but I do think it's worth it. If you've got a trade-in and you can get this for like half price, definitely worth it no matter what you have to get the newest iPhone. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.